This video is a demonstration of an LED wall plaque I made of my logo. I used individually addressable LEDs and programmed an ESP8266 Arduino board to create animations for it. Additionally, I connected the Arduino to the Blynk app, which allows me to control the animations from my phone. So let's take a look at it. From the Blynk app, I select Rainbow and get a nice looking rainbow effect on the LEDs. Next, I can select Solid and change the color to whatever RGB value I'd like. Finally, I included a fade mode, which simply cycles through the green, red, and blue colors. The effect is even better than what the camera can show because of the oversaturation on the camera, but hopefully you can be inspired from this for your own Arduino creations. I may plan to upload a tutorial on how I created this soon, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.